All right, guys, welcome to 14814 Wild Hog Way. This home is in the preserve at Culebra community. This home is essentially 2,708 square feet. One of our most popular floor plans because we do have a model home of this home on site. Upon entry, you have your nice open concept with vinyl plank flooring. Your 2-car garage is off to the right-hand side. The home does come with an alarm security system. To your left, you'll have your half bath. Plenty of storage and closet space. Upon entry now, you'll also have an office area with double French doors. The office also does come with a closet space. Again, plenty of closet space. Right here, you'll have a formal dining area. All our KB homes do come with a Wi-Fi thermostat. And again, as mentioned, you do have an alarm security system. Over here, you have a nice, big, great room, living room area. And this would be the kitchen. Nice, big island right there. Tall 42-inch cabinets. Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, Moen faucet, and a water drinking filter system. You have your pantry right here. Again, nice and big open layout concept. Here is the backyard. Our homes also do include a fully automated sprinkler system. So you do have a sprinkler system in the front yard, the backyard, and the sides. The sprinkler system is located inside the garage, so you can adjust it to your times that you prefer to have the grass watered. And coming upstairs, leads into a nice big loft game room. Master bedroom is off to the side, nice and secluded, but we'll go look at the other 3 bedrooms first. AC filter is inside the home for quick and easy access to changing your filter. Right here you have essentially bedroom number 2. You have a nice big hallway. And essentially this would be bedroom number 3. Essentially, this would be the laundry room upstairs. And this would be the secondary bathroom upstairs. Nice storage space. Again, extra closet space. And of course you have a closet. Oh, it would just be that one closet right there. All right, and then this would essentially be bedroom number 4. Nice little sitting area. And this one has its own walk-in closet. So this bedroom, bedroom 4, has a walk-in closet, while the other 2 bedrooms will only have just kind of like a double French door closet to open it. Okay, leading into your master bedroom. Master bedroom Very big, very spacious in size. I'll kind of walk all the way in the corner so you can get a full view of the master bedroom. All right, leading in to the master bathroom. Nice linen closet there. Stand-up shower with tiles surrounding it. Nice chrome Moen faucets. Double sinks. Enclosed toilet. More linen closet. So the toilet will be enclosed. And last but not least, the master bedroom closet.